Capturing your screen on Windows 11 is a breeze. Learn the quick and easy steps to take a screenshot and capture the moment effortlessly. You can use the print screen button alone. Do keep in mind that this method will copy your screenshot to the clipboard, which means that you'll lose any other information previously stored there. One more thing that's worth mentioning here is that you won't be able to select a particular area of the screen. Windows key plus print screen combination. This key combination will also capture the entire screen, but it has a twist. Instead of copying your screenshot to the clipboard, it will save your image in the Pictures Screenshots folder. Obviously, this is a big plus since it cuts down on manual operations, allowing you to take screenshots in rapid succession, for example. Alt key plus print screen combination. Unlike the previous two methods, this one will allow you to take a screenshot of the active window instead of the entire screen. However, this perk comes at a cost. The file is not automatically saved. You will have to select a destination for the file.
If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution.
Press Windows plus S to open search, type snipping tool, and click on the relevant search result. Here you have four options as follows. Rectangular mode allows users to capture the desired rectangular portion as a screenshot. Freeform mode. With this one, as the name suggests, you can capture a screenshot of any shape. Window mode. The current application or program is captured. Full screen mode. A full screen screenshot is taken, which includes the taskbar. To take a screenshot, choose the desired mode, use the cursor to select the desired portion, and click to capture. As soon as you take a screenshot using snipping tools, it's saved to the clipboard, and a notification appears at the bottom right corner. Click on it to annotate or edit the screenshot. Now, you have the screenshot in the editor. Use the various options here to edit it, for instance, the ballpoint pen and highlighter. Once done, click on the save icon. Navigate to the desired location for the file, and again, click on save.
Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.